Say happy Easter.
No, Gracie. No.
It's Easter Sunday. Say happy Easter.
Do not face.
It's too early.
Ow.
Too early. No las 3 de la tarde.
Hey, you eating Oreos?
No, she's hitting me with a paper plate.
Ow.
The most holiest of all days, and you're beating people left and right.
That's true, right?
How many people did she beat up already?
3.
Three people.
4, including her.
Oh, I'll put it on video where she's not as sweet as innocent as she looks in the pictures, because she was beating up perfect strangers that were recognizing her and saying, "Oh, this is the cute little Grecia." And Grecia was like sucker punching people left and right. Like, "Don't touch me, all diva."
So we went to take our spring pictures earlier this morning, and now we're at my mom's house.
I was at the 12. No te quiero evitar.
Yeah.
What time is it?
It was like
It was
1 o'clock.
12:57.
Well, at lunchtime, we went to take our spring pictures.
I went
And
to bed
there's-
about 20 minutes ago. What the hell time is it?
It's like,
gonna be 2:30 or 2 o'clock.
hey, stop hitting people.
Shut up.
Oink.
She just told you to shut up. Shut up.
You look so pretty.
Say cheese.
Is that your Easter basket?
So what time you go getting out?
What is this, a cherry chip cupcake?
I don't know what's in
What was it, Sam?
It's like a tongue pusher.
Vanilla cherry chip cupcake right here. Made by
We got about 50 pounds of brisket here. Holy shit.
right there.
Oh,
I want it. These are delicious. And those are carrot cake cupcakes.
I'm just gonna toss this one.
say carrot cake cupcake 3 times in a row.
Carrot cake cupcake, carrot cake cupcake, carrot cake cupcake.
Ah, la madre. Yo pensé que eran las dos.
Change her diaper.
No, I mean her dress is dirty.
All
Much
right.
for the picture with the basket.
You're gonna wash that.
I
Hey,
didn't say anything.
don't be talking to me like that.
Yes. That's
Estás bailando, chacha. ¿Verdad? Qué guapa.
go, baby.
Wait, she's taking a bite out of the gancito.
Dancing, dancing, dancing.
Yeah! Wow.
Again, mommy. Blow bubbles.
Dice Sam. Why are you going straight down? Because you're under the fan?
Bubbles.
Bert Lindsey together.
Did you drop there?
No.
No, I just started. You don't hang out with me.
Another besito.
besito, besito.
Give the piggy a besito, mommy.
Mama Piggy.
Besito. You're gonna feed on the donut.
Kissy, kissy, kissy. Kissy, 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 kissy. Kissy.
Aww, cute.
Get it?
Yeah. I'm recording her.
She
So
loves that
cute,
squishy.
mommy. So now we're gonna go ahead and head on out to location number 2 for this Easter Sunday. Now we're gonna be going to my in-laws' house. I think my father-in-law had to go to work, which sucks, but Wendy, Chewy, and Briella are there, and Elias, and my mother-in-law. I don't know who else is gonna be there this afternoon, but we went to my mom's house earlier. We spent like half of the morning with them because, like I said, we went to take our family pictures this morning. We went to go eat lunch at my mom's. We're gonna go have, I guess what you would say is dinner at Bert's parents' house. So baby girl was already like fed up because she woke up, she ate breakfast. While I was getting ready, she ate with her dad, and then we went to take the pictures, but she didn't really last that long. Like, she got frustrated pretty fast. So she's been fighting with everyone, like all morning long. She's been fighting, she's been hitting people. She hasn't been that nice. So she's so tired that her head is like that already. My poor baby. She's so sleepy. But we stopped here at Riverview real quick to pick up some last minute things before the store closes, because I think this is the only store that's open in town today. So Bert's gonna get some stuff here and then we're gonna head on over there. I guess I'll show you guys Wendy and Briella, because I don't think she's vlogging today because something happened with her teeth. So I don't know if she'll explain what happened in another video or if I'll just, I don't know. You'll just be over there. She's gonna be playing with Grace. So we just got to my abuela's house. We're looking for the remote. Thanks, baby. She's bringing me all these things that her grandma has here. She also has a massive Coke collection.
And me.
Huh?
Anything over here.
And you? Oh, your baby picture. That's his parents and him. How old were you there?
I don't know, 3 maybe? I don't know.
Do y'all think Grecia looks like him? I'll show you the picture of me at the house, the one your mom took out this morning. Babe, look what she's doing.
He doesn't have a date.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, mommy, don't break it.
We just got here though, and Wendy and Chewy went to McDonald's because Bree had just woken up and she was hungry. I think they were all a little bit hangry. And I told them if they could bring her one too, because she just woke up also. She's about to get hangry also.
And she broke it.
Oh,
Oh, Wayla's gonna get mad at you. Yep. She's gonna get mad at you.
Isn't her dress the cutest? Come here, because Daddy's gonna open the door. Come here. Come here. You're fine. You didn't bring her diaper.
Here.
Look at all your toys. Yeah, and your Easter basket. Where's Wilbur? And where's your hen? What, mommy? Why are you mad? Is that much better?
We're Italian. This is
I'm gonna mess up. And we are stuff.
I smell money.
I don't know why she does that. What are those?
Four sharks are out. Kevin is Jason and Val's last chance for a deal.
I'm going to make the assumption that you were smart enough to
Come
get
on,
in
pick
front
it
of
up.
this young man. That I should be a part.
Ándale, hombre.
But that will not happen unless I have 50%. Rare. I'll give you $200,000 to
She didn't know how to walk in chanclas. Oh my gosh.
and I'll probably take you to a whole new level. There's no question about it. I have access to capital.
Where are you
Green.
Bert's in the kitchen making pico de gallo. Right? Is that what you're making?
Huh?
Are you making pico de gallo?
Yeah.
I just have
I did change my shirt.
contacts. And for me to ask to be a 50-50 partner is not unreasonable.
Well, actually, we're making guacamole too.
Guacamole. Watch me drop it in the sink. Huh?
Waterproof.
It's not waterproof, it's water resistant. Watch it. Grab on for dear life. You can do it.
Where's it? Get off of my mom. Come on. Hey, look, we're matching. Briella. You're gonna like stub your toe.
She's making fajitas sausage because that's how everybody bought.
She said. That's what she said. You gotta say hello. Are you vlogging? No.
What I lose?
No, look at my lips.
You wanna show them?
I look like Big Ange.
That's why she's not vlogging.
I need y'all to
I can't feel none of this. I ain't squishing no lemons. Thank you very much.
No, man. Please, man.
I'll squish it. Give them to me.
I see you.
What, do you have like an infection?
Yeah. Ah! Why is this shirt broken?
How is it broken?
What the hell? Look. It goes all the way down. Jessica broke it.
Again?
No, I'm just saying how it hurt.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure, but you know I'm not the same. Sink or we can swim, lose or we can win. I'm so alive, baby, it hurts. Forget about the end. We already gave in. I'm so alive, baby, it hurts. There ain't no doubt. I took you in like a child. You had no one else. Is this how you repay me? For all that I've done. Say no.
Thank you. Here you go, sir. Here, put that over there. Alright, so we literally just left Bert's parents' house. And it's 9:23 at night. And we're gonna go to bed. I mean, we're gonna go home.
Go buy ice cream.
Bert's gonna see if McDonald's is still open because he wants an ice cream cone. But I had to, like, I've been craving these freaking chips. I've been telling you for the past 2 days. Oh, because we're driving.
So I can't see outside because it's too bright. It reflects off the window.
Oh. So I told him before we go home, can you please take me to go get these chips? And it's just a bunch of crap. It's crap is what I'm about to eat. But it's so good. Let me show you. I've eaten this before and I've showed you guys once before when I came with Fabi, my friend. So I'm gonna show you guys what. I can't see her. Yum. This is hot Cheetos, gummy bears, sour powers, green chamoy, and red chamoy. And hot Cheetos. It looks nasty.
This is fucking nasty.
Oh, and it also has carne seca. Look, right there. You see it? My mouth is so watery right now. How did y'all's mouth get watery? I know it did. Too bad you can't have any. That's like torture.
Not to me, that's just nasty.
This torture. So I was watching this on someone's video or whatever. Oh, my jaws hurt. I'm gonna eat it now. Bye. We are home now, but before I end this video, because we're gonna go watch Nailed It, I think is the show on Netflix. It's about cakes and stuff. I wanted to show you guys baby girl's Easter baskets. I did make her one, and then my niece made her one also. And I didn't wrap mine, and the one my niece gave her is already like all messed up because she's been playing with it all day. And I actually took stuff out of hers already that she was playing with, but I guess just for memories. So I did buy her these robin eggs, a pack of Peeps that she already ate, this G that was supposed to be hung on the basket. I bought her the Bee Movie, Mouse Hunt, because it's a classic and one of my favorites. I got her 2 nail polishes, this foam letters, and then this little like basket thing that she can use in the tub. Excuse the mess. And then my niece made her, oh look, this is the picture that I told you guys about earlier. Do you guys think she looks like me or her dad? I don't know how old I was in this picture, but that's me when I was a little baby. And then my niece gave her this little pig that looks so real. A chicken or a hen, I don't know what it is. A little bunny rabbit. Some Pop Rocks lollipops, because those are her favorite. Marshmallow lollipops. This little chick. A squishy donut that actually smells like a donut. Some Reese's Pieces, another lollipop, and then she actually made like these flowers here out of, I think this is tissue paper, but she made all this, and the basket is beautiful. I loved it. So I'm serving us something to drink so that we can get ready to go to bed. Bert is actually changing baby into her pajamas and changing her diaper. So I hope you guys had a happy Easter. I hope everyone was safe and had a good time. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.